Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Jeep Compass Latitude in granite crystal metallic. With halogen quad headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, deep tinted sunscreen glass, rear window wiper and washer, power 8-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 5296A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.